moment you hear the name DT, something shifts. It brings back memories of lightweight freedom, of narrow trails cutting through forests, of gravel roads that seem to stretch forever. It reminds riders of a time when motorcycles were simple, responsive, and deeply connected to the person controlling them. In 2026, Yamaha revives that feeling with a modern interpretation that stays true to its roots while embracing contemporary engineering. The 2026 Yamaha DT175 is not about overwhelming power or flashy technology. It is about balance, agility, and pure riding engagement. At its core, the DT175 represents a philosophy that many riders are rediscovering. Bigger is not always better. More electronics do not automatically mean more fun. Sometimes the most rewarding motorcycle is the one that feels light beneath you, predictable in every situation, and capable of going almost anywhere. The DT175 fits perfectly into that mindset. The heart of the 2026 Yamaha DT175 is a refined 175 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine tuned for real-world versatility. Yamaha engineers have focused on usable torque and smooth throttle delivery rather than chasing peak horsepower figures. The result is an engine that feels lively and responsive without being intimidating. Twist the throttle and you feel immediate but controlled acceleration. It pulls confidently through the lower and mid-range revs, making it ideal for both city riding and light off-road adventures. Fuel injection ensures consistent performance across various temperatures and elevations. Cold starts are effortless. Throttle transitions are clean and predictable. Riders do not have to worry about carburetor tuning or inconsistent fueling at higher altitudes. This modern upgrade enhances reliability while preserving the classic mechanical feel that DT fans appreciate. The six-speed transmission complements the engine beautifully. Lower gears are spaced for controlled off-road riding, allowing riders to navigate tight trails and technical terrain with precision. Higher gears provide relaxed cruising capability on paved roads. Clutch engagement is smooth and forgiving, making the DT175 an excellent choice for beginners learning throttle and clutch coordination. One of the most defining characteristics of the DT175 is its lightweight chassis. Yamaha has maintained a slim, agile frame design that feels manageable for riders of various skill levels. The balance between strength and weight allows the motorcycle to feel stable without becoming bulky. This lightweight construction transforms the riding experience. Maneuvering through traffic feels effortless. Navigating narrow trails becomes intuitive. Even picking the bike up after a minor off-road mishap is far less daunting than with heavier machines. Suspension plays a major role in the DT175's versatility. The front telescopic forks offer generous travel to absorb bumps, potholes, and uneven terrain. The rear shock is tuned to provide a balance between comfort and control. Whether riding over broken pavement or light dirt trails, the suspension keeps the bike composed and confidence-inspiring. It is forgiving enough for new riders while remaining capable for experienced enthusiasts who push the bike harder. Braking performance has been updated to meet modern standards. Disc brakes at both ends provide consistent and progressive stopping power. The front brake delivers reassuring bite without feeling abrupt, while the rear brake offers controlled modulation, especially useful on loose surfaces. Depending on configuration, Yamaha may offer switchable ABS to enhance safety on the road while allowing full control off-road. The design of the 2026 DT175 respects its heritage while adding contemporary touches. The slim fuel tank, high-mounted front fender, and flat seat silhouette echo the iconic DT look. LED lighting enhances visibility and gives the motorcycle a modern edge. The digital instrument display remains minimalistic, showing essential information such as speed, fuel level, trip data, and gear position without unnecessary distractions. Ergonomics are carefully designed to suit both seated and standing riding positions. The seat height is approachable for most riders, providing confidence at stops while maintaining adequate ground clearance. The handlebars are positioned for natural control, whether commuting in traffic or standing on the pegs during off-road sections. Wide foot pegs offer stability in muddy or uneven conditions. Everything about the riding position feels intentional and balanced. On city streets, the DT175 shines as a practical daily commuter. Its lightweight nature makes filtering through traffic easy where permitted. The upright seating position offers excellent visibility over cars. The manageable power delivery prevents sudden surges, allowing smooth progress through congested areas. Parking is simple, and low-speed maneuvering feels stable and predictable. When the road opens up, the DT175 settles into a comfortable rhythm. While it is not a high-speed touring machine, it handles moderate highway speeds with composure. The engine maintains steady performance without excessive vibration. Wind protection is minimal, as expected from a dual sport, but the upright posture reduces fatigue during longer rides. Off the pavement is where the DT175 truly comes alive. Gravel roads, forest paths, and light trails become playgrounds. The combination of lightweight construction, responsive power, and compliant suspension makes exploring feel natural rather than intimidating. Standing on the pegs shifts your weight effectively, and the bike responds immediately to your inputs. This direct connection between rider and machine is what defines the DT experience. Fuel efficiency adds to the bike's practicality. The 175 cubic centimeter engine consumes minimal fuel, extending range without requiring a large tank. This makes the DT 175 economical for commuting and reassuring for longer weekend rides. Riders can venture further without constantly searching for fuel stops. Maintenance remains straightforward, reflecting Yamaha's commitment to reliability. Accessible service points and a proven engine design help keep ownership costs manageable. Routine tasks such as oil changes and chain adjustments are simple to perform. This ease of maintenance encourages riders to build a relationship with their machine rather than feeling dependent on complex electronics or specialized tools. The 2026 Yamaha DT175 also serves as an excellent learning platform. For new riders, its forgiving nature builds confidence quickly. The manageable power output and lightweight frame reduce intimidation, allowing beginners to focus on developing core skills. For experienced riders, the bike becomes a reminder that riding enjoyment does not require extreme horsepower. Mastering momentum and technique on a lightweight motorcycle can be far more satisfying. Customization possibilities further enhance the DT175's appeal. Riders can equip luggage racks, skid plates, handguards, and other accessories to tailor the bike to their needs. Whether used for commuting, light adventure touring, or casual trail riding, the DT175 adapts easily. What truly sets the 2026 Yamaha DT175 apart is the feeling it delivers. It is mechanical without being crude, modern without being complicated. It strikes a balance between heritage and innovation. It respects the past while embracing present-day reliability and performance standards. In a market filled with oversized adventure motorcycles and tech-heavy machines, the DT175 offers something refreshingly honest. It invites riders to rediscover simplicity, agility, and genuine connection. It proves that adventure does not require massive displacement or intimidating power figures. The 2026 Yamaha DT175 stands as a reminder that sometimes the most memorable rides come from the most balanced machines. It is not about dominating a category. It is about enjoying every mile. For riders seeking versatility, reliability, and authentic engagement, the DT175 delivers a compelling answer. Some specifications and details described above are based on conceptual projections and AI-assisted interpretations and may not reflect official Yamaha announcements or final production specifications.